Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send invoice on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So go to settings and select notifications, and here you'll find many types of invoice: order confirmation, order edited, order invoice, order cancelled, order refund. For example, I'm going to opening order refund invoice, and now you can edit your invoice. And now click on preview, and from here you can send and test email. So here you can see the invoice preview. So I'm going to click on send test email. So this is how we can send invoice on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.